Are your Excel numbers coming out wrong because you picked the wrong rounding function? Round, round up, and round down all do different things, and using the wrong one can cost. Most people just use round for everything and end up with totals that are slightly off or invoices that do not add up correctly. Here we have the number 4.567 in column A, and we are going to apply all three functions to it. In cell B2, type equals round, open parenthesis, A2. Now, here is the key difference between all three. Roundup in cell C2 always rounds away from 0 no matter what. So 4.521 becomes 4.5. Look at the completed table. The same number, 4.567, gives you three completely different results depending on which function you choose. Round gives 4.5. You just learned the exact difference between round, round up, and round down. And now you will always pick the right one for the job. If